Hi beautiful people, thank you for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my May 2021 BoxyCharms, and I'll also show you how to get this eye look using all the products that I got for this month. If you want to see this, please keep watching. Hi beautiful people, so this video is a little bit different than my usual wig reviews, and I wanted to kind of start incorporating the makeup part of what I love in my videos. So as a beginner starting off, I didn't know too much about makeup and I got into it very late in the game. So not knowing what products I wanted or what I should get or what was the best thing to do, I started out with the Ipsy bag. And the Ipsy bag was like $10, and I figured, okay, I can afford $10 a month to try to figure out what kind of products would work well for me. And like I said, as a beginner, I didn't know what I should get or what I shouldn't get. So the Ipsy bag helped a lot because you go in, you put in your profile, you put in your eye color, your hair color, you know, you just do your profile, and then you tell them what you want to have the most. Like you can tell them, you know, I want more brushes, or I want more eyeshadow palettes, or I want more of this and more of that. And getting the bag, you're getting a better value than what you would if you were going out purchasing all this stuff yourself. And that was how I began my makeup journey, and just learning what brushes were good and what the brushes were and how to use them, and you know, just getting little skincare things to help me to figure out that skincare is important, and you know, to get eyeshadow palettes and to figure out what colors were best for me, and even foundation and concealers. They would send like little trial sizes of colors to kind of help me to figure out, okay, well this is not my color. Okay, well this is my color, or it's in that color range. So that moved me up to, after I started really learning, into getting into knowing I wanted to do a little bit more. So like I said, with the BoxyCharms that I have now, the box that you get is $25. However, the retail price on the stuff that you're getting is a lot more than that $25. So you're getting a value in your money. And if you don't know what you're looking for, or you don't know what the newest palette is, they'll send you a new palette, or they'll send you just specifics depending on your profile again. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what I have in my box for May 2021. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off and show you how the box comes and what comes with the box. So every month the box is a little bit different, and it comes with the products in it, and you also get a card telling you what's in the box. It gives you a theme on the front, and it tells you what's in the box and what that retails for. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, and this is it. My journey with Murad has been awesome. I started off getting it with the Ipsy box, but so far I've gotten 2 products from it, from my BoxyCharm, and I love them. I have one that's I think it's a SPF 30 everyday vitamin C cream that I use, and it really works well on my skin. I now have sensitive skin. So if you've never tried Murad, try it. You may like it. You know, and skincare is very important, girls. Very important, especially as we start to get older. You know, you think it's not important, but moisturizing and doing a skincare routine, even when you're in your 20s and your teens, start out early, because eventually that skin is going to, you know, it's not going to do you well if you don't do your skin moisturizing and take care of your skin. So just make sure you do that. So this Murad overnight, it's called the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. It retails for $74 in my BoxyCharm box. The next thing that I'm going to show you is the KAB Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette, which is what I used on my eyes today to get this simple look. And I'm going to quickly throw in a little segment of how I did my eyes today. So I'll throw that in right now and come back and then show you again the palette. Alright beautiful people, so I wanted to throw in a quick eye look that I used 3 colors for in this KAB Cosmetics palette that came in my BoxyCharm. It was quick and simple. It's a nice neutral look and it's very easy. So I'm just going to zoom you all in with another lens and then I'll get started. Alright, so these are the three colors that I'm using. I'm using Cocoa on my lid, Sand to blend it out, and Luna as a shimmer. Okay, so I'm starting with Cocoa, and I'm just going to pat that in with one of those brushes that I received in my BoxyCharms. And usually when I'm putting on a lid color, if it's a dark color or any color, it's better for me to pat it in. I've already primed my lids with concealer, and me patting it in just helps the color stay for me a lot better. And I have hooded eyes, so usually I go a little bit beyond my natural crease, a little bit above my natural crease, and I'm just patting that in, just trying to get the shadow in to get a good color payoff to the color that I want it to look. And I'm just doing it like in a half moon motion, just patting it in. And yeah, just patting it in. After I get the color I want, I go in and I just do like a half moon motion and a windshield wiper kind of motion. And this is in real time, just to let you all see that it really doesn't take very long. Just to kind of blend it out just a little bit, but to get it to a nice shape for me. Then I go in with a fluffier brush, and I'm using the color Sand, which is a lighter color, just to kind of diffuse that harsh line that Cocoa had. And I'm again going back and forth in those windshield wiper motions, and it's kind of softening it up. And like I said, hopefully you're kind of understanding what I'm saying. It's just kind of making that harsh line from that brown go away, that first color kind of go away, and it kind of softens it up. So then I take my finger and I just dip it in Luna, and I kind of tap it from the beginning of my eyelid to almost the middle. And I don't go too much above where I have that natural crease line for my my eyelid, but I do just push it in a little bit, and I use my finger because my finger works well for me. And then I'll go back in with that brush that I had Cocoa on, and I'll go back in that circular half moon motion, kind of windshield wiper, right in the beginning of my eye, and then back and forth again, just to kind of diffuse that shimmer. And then I'll go in again with the Sand, just to diffuse that Cocoa again. And that's it, guys. Quick and easy, simple look. All right, here's the palette, guys. It's called the KAB COSMETICS Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. It's really nice. It comes with a mirror, very warm tone. So if you are a woman of color, or you have darker skin than I am, this palette should work well for you. It worked well for me, and I got this neutral palette, this neutral look out of it. So and if you're lighter than me, it still should work. You know, there are certain colors, very nice colors in here, that will work for you. And this retails for $52 out of the palette. The next thing was the Lavish Essential Eye Collection, which is the brush. It's a 5-piece brush set that came in here. It's only eyes, and this is what I use to do my eye look today. I use nothing else but these brushes, and they're a little dirty, as you can see, because I did use this. So it's just letting you know that what comes in this palette, this is all you need to get this eye look. And it's very simple, but you could have glammed it up or glammed it down if you wanted to. You didn't have to put in the shimmer. You could have just went all matte. If it was an everyday look, you could have just went with just the one all matte and kind of fused it out. But this was all I needed. So in this box that I paid $25 for, I'm already looking at $74 for the skincare. I'm already looking at $52 for the eyeshadow palette. And then this retails for $30. So this eye brush set retails for $30. The next thing was the Drybar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. Now, because I'm natural, I don't really blow my hair out or straighten my hair out that much, but I will try it and get back to you all and let you know. I have not tried this. It may work. Drybar is really good. I've tried a couple of their products, but never this. So, you know, but when I go in, I did put in hair products in my profile, so they did send them to me. So if you don't want hair products, you can go into your profile and tell them, I don't really want them, rarely send it. And they won't send you as many hair products. But I will try this. But this retails for $27. And the last but least is the Mellow Cosmetics Lip Gloss. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this lip gloss on right now. I wanted to do it while I was actually talking to you guys. It's a really pretty color. The color is called Topaz. And like I said, I was going in and just kind of seeing, you know, what it is. I line my lips with just a quick lip liner from my local beauty supply. It was a Ruby Kisses one. But this is how the color looks. And it's actually a really good color for me. It's like a really pretty neutral peach. Peachy neutral. Pinky peachy neutral. And it's really pretty. And I really like it. So that would be that's it for my BoxyCharm box. That's what came in it. But this lip gloss retailed for $18. So altogether in my BoxyCharm box, the retail for the box that I paid $25 for is $201. And you get a lot of products. Like I said, you go in and put your profile in and you tell them what you want or what you don't want as far as tools, as far as eyeshadow palettes, as far as hair products, whatever it is that you're looking for, you go in and you put it in your profile and you get it. So yeah, minus the protected mist because I'm probably not going to straighten my hair. Everything else I'm really happy with. I did try the skin moisturizer last night before I went to bed and woke up this morning and my face was really supple. The skincare from Murad, again, for me, is good. Of course, you have to find out what works for you. But I'm always really satisfied with this BoxyCharm box. And I also get the Luxe box, which sometimes you get like 7 to 10 products and they retail for like $300 to $400. Sometimes I'm not gonna tell you that there are some times where I have colors for things that don't match me. So yeah guys, going in, like sometimes you get the different foundation colors that don't match you or even concealer colors that don't match you, but it does help you find a range and you're getting very good products. So knowing that you have that range, because sometimes for me, I know as a beginner, and even now, I still gotta kind of go off of some people I see on YouTube that kind of look like me to try to figure out what foundation color that I should be looking for or what range or what concealer. So it kind of helps you in that aspect as well. So yeah, that is my BoxyCharm unboxing for this month. Thank you guys for tuning in. Again, like, share, subscribe, join the family because we're friendly here. We're not too friendly, but we're friendly. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.